Mortals, heed my words. In this realm, I shall impart unto you the wisdom of maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. Listen closely, for your well-being depends on it. 1. Plan your meals. Prepare your meals in advance, mortal. Chart a path for sustenance, lest you succumb to impulsive feasting on unhealthy fare. 2. Include fruits and vegetables. Incorporate the bounties of nature into your diet. Fruits and vegetables shall fuel your mortal form with essential nutrients and fortify your resilience. 3. Choose whole grains. Shun the feeble grains stripped of their power. Embrace the mighty whole grains, for they bestow upon you vitality and endurance. 4. Limit processed foods. Beware the treacherous machinations of processed foods. They seek to corrupt your health with their sugars, fats, and sodium. Show restraint, or suffer the consequences. 5. Watch portion sizes. Control your insatiable appetite, mortal. Gauge your portions wisely, for excess gluttony shall lead you astray on the path to ruin. 6. Drink plenty of water. Quench your mortal vessel with the elixir of life itself. Water shall keep your body tempered, your digestion unimpeded, and your mortal facade radiant. 7. Include healthy fats. Fear not the essence of fat, for it bears the power of sustenance. Seek it in avocados, nuts, seeds, and the oil of olives. They shall grant you clarity of mind and strength of body. 8. Limit added sugars. Guard yourself against the seduction of added sugars. Beware the deceitful allure of processed foods, and seek solace in the sweetness of nature's fruits instead. 9. Cook at home. Unleash your culinary prowess within the confines of your abode. Master the arts of food preparation, for in doing so, you shall command both nourishment and pleasure. 10. Practice moderation. Remember, mortal, balance lies at the heart of all endeavors. Indulge in your cravings with measured restraint, and you shall navigate the treacherous waters of temptation unscathed. The path to a healthy and balanced diet is beset with challenges, but through discipline and vigilance, you shall emerge victorious. Now go forth, mortals, armed with the knowledge I have bestowed upon you. May your journey be one of vitality and strength,